Hello, and welcome back to Boni's Life, your premier destination for deep intellectual and actionable insights into the world of digital assets. Today, we are turning our spotlight onto a project that has been making significant waves in the blockchain space, a layer 1 protocol that promises to redefine scalability and user experience. We are talking about Sui. In this episode, we will embark on a comprehensive journey to unpack the very fundamentals of the Sui blockchain. We will dissect its white paper, explore its groundbreaking technology, and scrutinize its tokenomics. We will delve into the minds of its creators, a team of brilliant engineers who honed their skills at the highest echelons of the tech industry. And most importantly, we will provide you with a multifaceted investment analysis, complete with potential scenarios and expert commentary from some of the most respected voices in finance and technology. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just beginning your crypto journey, this episode is designed to equip you with the knowledge you need to understand if Sui is a worthy addition to your investment portfolio. So, grab your notebooks and let's dive into the world of Sui. To truly understand the potential of Sui, we must first look at the masterminds behind its creation. The founding team of Meen Labs, the company that developed Sui, is a veritable dream team of the tech world. These are not your typical startup founders. These are the seasoned veterans, the lead architects, and the senior executives who were at the very heart of Meta's ambitious blockchain project, DM. They are the creators of the Move programming language, a language that is poised to revolutionize smart contract development. At the helm is CEO Evan Cheng, a man whose career is a testament to technical excellence. Before diving into the world of Web3, Evan spent a decade at Apple where he was instrumental in developing the LLVM compiler, a piece of technology that now powers virtually every smartphone on the planet. His work was so significant that it earned him the prestigious ACM Software System Award. He then moved to Meta, where he led the research and development of the Diem blockchain. It was there that the seeds of Sui were sown, born from the realization that the existing blockchain infrastructure was simply not ready for mass adoption. Then we have Sam Blackshear, the CTO and the creator of the Move programming language. Sam is a true visionary in the world of programming language design. He created Move with a singular focus on security and safety, addressing the many vulnerabilities that have led to billions of dollars in losses on other platforms. His work is a game changer for developers, making it easier to build secure and robust applications. And let's not forget Adeniyi Abiodun, the Chief Product Officer. Adeniyi is the bridge between the deep technology of Sui and its real-world applications. With a background in both finance and technology, he has a unique understanding of what it takes to build products that people will love to use. He is the driving force behind Sui's user-centric approach, ensuring that the platform is not just powerful, but also accessible to everyone. This is a team that has been forged in the fires of innovation. Their experience at Meta, working on a project of global scale, has given them an unparalleled understanding of the challenges and opportunities in the blockchain space. They are not just building another blockchain, they are building the future of the internet. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a very exciting prospect indeed. Now, let's get to the technical heart of Sui. What makes it so special? The answer lies in its white paper, a document that outlines a radical new approach to blockchain architecture. At its core is the object-centric model. Now, what does that mean? In simple terms, think of it like this. On most blockchains, everything revolves around accounts. But on Sui, everything is an object. A token is an object. A smart contract is an object. Your digital identity is an object. This might sound like a small change, but it has profound implications. The biggest advantage is parallel transaction processing. Because transactions involving different objects don't conflict with each other, they can be processed simultaneously. This is a massive leap in scalability. While other blockchains get bogged down in a sequential one-by-one transaction confirmation process, Sui can handle a torrent of transactions at once. We're talking about a theoretical capacity of over 120,000 transactions per second. That's not just fast, it's a paradigm shift. And then there's the Move programming language. As we mentioned earlier, Move was born out of the Diem project at Meta, and it was designed with one primary goal in mind: security. Move's secret weapon is its resource-based programming model. This means that digital assets are treated as resources that can only be moved, not copied or accidentally deleted. This simple but powerful feature eliminates a whole class of common smart contract vulnerabilities that have led to catastrophic losses on other platforms. For developers, this means they can build with confidence, knowing that the language itself is designed to protect them from making costly mistakes. So, what we have with Sui is a blockchain that is not only incredibly fast, but also incredibly secure. It's a platform that is built for the future, a future where billions of users will interact with digital assets on a daily basis. The white paper doesn't just describe a new piece of technology. It describes a new vision for what the internet can be. A brilliant team and groundbreaking technology are essential, but for an investor, the tokenomics of a project are where the rubber meets the road. So let's take a deep dive into the economic engine of the Sui network. The total supply of SUI is capped at 10 billion tokens. This is a hard cap, meaning no more SUI will ever be created. This finite supply is a powerful deflationary force. As the Sui ecosystem grows and demand for SUI increases, the fixed supply will naturally lead to an increase in the value of each token. It's simple supply and demand, but it's a fundamental principle that many projects overlook. But Sui's tokenomics go much further than just a fixed supply. The network has a unique storage fund mechanism. A portion of the transaction fees paid on the network is directed to this fund, which is used to compensate future validators for the cost of storing data. As the amount of data stored on Sui grows, so does the storage fund, effectively taking more SUI out of circulation. This creates a virtuous cycle. The more the network is used, the more deflationary pressure is applied to the token. And then there's the token burning. A portion of the transaction fees is permanently banned, removed from circulation forever. This is another powerful deflationary mechanism that will become increasingly significant as the network matures and transaction volume grows. The distribution of the SUI token is also designed to foster a healthy and decentralized ecosystem. A large portion of the tokens is allocated to the community, including developers, users, and other stakeholders who contribute to the growth of the network. This is not a project that is controlled by a small group of insiders. It's a project that is being built by and for its community. The Sui ecosystem is already flourishing. We're seeing a Cambrian explosion of innovation, with projects being built across a wide range of sectors, from decentralized finance and gaming to social media and NFTs. The Sui Foundation is actively fueling this growth through grants and partnerships, creating a vibrant and dynamic environment for developers to build the next generation of decentralized applications. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the investment analysis. Is SUI a good investment? To answer this question, we need to look at the project from multiple angles, combining both fundamental and technical analysis to create a holistic view of the potential risks and rewards. Let's start with the fundamentals. As we've discussed, Sui has a world-class team, groundbreaking technology, and a well-designed tokenomics model. These are all strong indicators of a project with long-term potential. The institutional interest in Sui is also a very bullish signal. When you see major players like Grayscale and 21 Shares publishing in-depth research reports and even filing for ETFs, it's a clear sign that the smart money is taking notice. Now, let's look at the technicals. Sui has had an incredible run in 2024, outperforming many of its competitors. The price has recently broken above key moving averages, which is a strong bullish signal for technical traders. The 50-day and 200-day moving averages are now acting as support, and the last time we saw a golden cross of these averages, the price surged over 200%. So, what are the potential investment scenarios for SUI? Let's explore a few possibilities and assign some probabilities to each. In the bull case scenario, which I assign a 40% probability, Sui continues to execute on its roadmap, and the ecosystem explodes with new users and applications. The network's scalability and low fees attract a wave of developers from other platforms, and we see the emergence of a killer app on Sui that captures the public's imagination. The SUI token price could see a significant appreciation, with some analysts predicting a price target of around $10, which would represent a nearly 3x return from current levels. This scenario is supported by the strong institutional interest and the project's solid fundamentals. In the base case scenario, which I assign a 50% probability, Sui continues to grow at a steady pace, but it doesn't experience the explosive growth of the bull case. The project continues to attract new users and developers, and the SUI token price appreciates in line with the overall growth of the crypto market. This is the most likely scenario, and it still represents a very attractive investment opportunity. A steady appreciation of the SUI token, backed by solid fundamentals, is a recipe for long-term success. In the bear case scenario, which I assign a 10% probability, Sui's growth stalls. The project fails to attract a critical mass of users and developers, and the ecosystem stagnates. This could be due to a variety of factors, such as increased competition from other Layer 1 blockchains, regulatory headwinds, or a general downturn in the crypto market. In this scenario, the SUI token price could decline, and the project could fail to live up to its full potential. While this is the least likely scenario, it's important to be aware of the risks involved in any investment. It's important to remember that these are just potential scenarios and the future is never certain. However, by looking at the project from multiple angles and considering the full range of possibilities, we can make a more informed investment decision. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some of the most respected institutions and analysts in the crypto space have to say about Sui. Grayscale, one of the largest digital asset managers in the world, has given Sui a glowing review. In their report, Built for Scale, Why Sui Stands Out, they identify Sui as having the right mix of technological edge and supporting strategy to stand out in the crowded smart contract platforms crypto sector. They highlight Sui's superior technology, exceptional team, and vertically integrated strategy as key differentiators. They even go so far as to say that Sui has the potential to host the next consumer killer application in crypto. 21Shares, a leading European crypto asset manager, is equally bullish on Sui. In their investment case for Sui, they describe it as a high-performance, scalable smart contract platform with a smooth user experience rivaling traditional apps. They point to the explosive growth in developer activity, user adoption, and DeFi momentum as clear indicators of the project's strong traction. They even suggest that if Sui captures just 15% of Ethereum's valuation, the SUI token could nearly triple from its current price. Tokenomics, a leading crypto analytics platform, has given Sui a strong buy rating, signaling powerful short-term momentum. And Coinbase, one of the world's largest crypto exchanges, has shown its support by launching SUI futures on its institutional platform, a clear sign of growing institutional confidence. The consensus among the experts is clear. Sui is a project with immense potential. It has the technology, the team, and the momentum to become a major player in the crypto space. The institutional backing is a powerful validation of the project's long-term vision, and the technical analysis suggests that the SUI token is poised for significant appreciation. So, what is the final verdict on Sui? After a deep and thorough analysis, it is clear that Sui is a project that demands our attention. It is a project with a bold vision, a world-class team, and the technical prowess to back it up. The object-centric model and the Move programming language are not just incremental improvements. They are fundamental innovations that have the potential to reshape the entire blockchain landscape. The investment case for Sui is compelling. The strong fundamentals, the bullish technicals, and the overwhelming institutional support all point to a project with a very bright future. Of course, no investment is without risk, and it is crucial to do your own research and make your own informed decisions. But based on our analysis, Sui is a project that is well positioned for long-term success. We have journeyed through the intricate details of the Sui blockchain, from its visionary founders to its groundbreaking technology and its well-crafted tokenomics. We have explored the potential investment scenarios and listened to the insights of some of the most respected voices in the industry. We hope that this episode has provided you with a comprehensive and nuanced understanding of this exciting project. What are your thoughts on Sui? Do you believe it has the potential to become a dominant player in the Layer 1 space? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. And if you found this episode valuable, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest deep dives into the world of digital assets. Thank you for joining us on Boni's Life. Until next time, stay curious and invest wisely.